Welcome guys. So in the last video we learned how to alias and also how to concatenate, and we had this table available here. Today we want to learn how to sort. We want to learn how to sort our tables. Now let's say we want to learn to sort based on based on full name or the title, gender, and so on and so forth. So remember, sorting is you want to arrange your data in a particular order. That's what we're going to be doing today. So for the sake of practice, let me add one or two numerical variables. Okay, so let me add base rate. Let me add base rate and what other, let's see, I think there was something that had to do with holiday or leave, let me see, vacation something. Okay, vacation hours. Okay, so let's have more variables. Now the simple command to sort in SQL Server is the order by. So please remember I said that in DMLs all you just need to learn very well is how do you actually communicate these things, how do you want to say these things. So I've said please select the following items from this table. Now order by, so it's simple, order by base rate. And take note, I don't need the base rate to be a part of the variables I selected for it to be in my order by statement. As long as it exists in the table where I'm querying it from, I can use it. But don't worry, I'll explain. So I'm saying select this from this. So I'm removing base rate. Okay, so you understand what I mean. Now if I run this, it has actually sorted this data, because if you notice initially the employee key was 123, but now it's in a different order. So I'm just showing you that you may not need your base rate to be there for it to be what you query with. Okay, but let's add the base rate so we can see what we're doing. So now we've sorted our data based on the base rate in ascending order. So the default format of the order by statement is usually in ascending order. So we are sorting these informations that we've taken from this table in ascending order of base rate. Okay, so let's try, remember, like I said, to read it like a statement. Please select so and so variables from rest. I'm really in Nigeria. So and so variables. Okay, select these variables from this table and order it by base rate. That's it. That's what we've done here. Simple and short. So you can see it has ordered everything in the increasing values of the base rate. Now if I want it to be in the opposite, I'm going to say in descending order, which is DESC. So now I'm saying give me from the highest base rate down and down and down and down and down. Don't know if that makes sense to us. Okay, so we don't only order by numerical values, we can also order by categorical variables. For instance, if I want to order by title, it means I'm telling you to order this, sort these variables I've stated here in order of ascending title. So from A it goes down to B and so on and so forth until the end. Okay, so that's what the order by does. Now this is when we are using string, a text. You can also make this in descending order, and you now have from VTS going on and on and on and on. Okay guys, we can also do this for date variable. So for our higher date, so if we do this from higher date, so you can see 28th of January 2026, 26th of August 2006 rather, 11th of June 2007, and so on and so forth. So do we understand that order by? So you can also do this in descending order as well. So the last date was on the last person that was hired was on the 28th of December 2012. Okay, so what I'm going to do for us is, from these videos I'm going to try to develop these instructions more like word problems. Okay, more like word problems, instead of just telling you order by this, order by this. The reason is it's going to help you to easily interpret problems to the languages that makes it easier for you to query. Okay, so let me hurry it up and let's do one or two other things. Now I want to order by full name, but if I do full name and I execute, okay, that's it. It worked exactly how I wanted it to work because I've aliased it as full name. Okay, works perfectly. Remember I told us you can use as or not. So right, so if I order it by full name, I have this. Okay, but we can also order more than one variable together. You can also order more than one variable together. What I mean is, maybe I want to see these items ordered in each title according to their date of birth. Okay, so if I do this, I now have accountants, these two accountants, but then it will give me the oldest accountant before the youngest one. The oldest accountant before the younger one, because I told you to order by title first and then subsequently by date of birth. So for example, let's use these guys here. Application specialist, we ordered by title, and in the title we also ordered by date of birth. I'm hoping this makes sense to us. Yes, so you now see date of birth in ascending order from 1977 to 1981. Let me reiterate this by using higher date here. Okay, so we saw what we did. This time around I want to sort title. I want to sort the titles in their based on their higher dates. Okay, so I have application specialist, using them again, so you can see the oldest person to be hired, or the person that was hired earliest, was in 23rd of July, followed by 11th of August, then 3rd of September, and then 16th of September. Okay, so you can order by multiple items. That's what we mean. For instance, if I want to order this information that I have here in order of titles and then gender in descending order. So I want to order titles in each title by their different gender, and I said I want it to be in descending order. Okay, so if I do this, I have my titles, but it will give me in descending order first, which is M before F. If I want to do the opposite of that, it will give me F's before M. You can also do the same for your title. If I want to order title in descending order first, I have these, but then let's look for one. Alright, so sales representative, you can see, you can see that it had the females first because they are in ascending order, A, B, C, D, E, F. and then you have the mail slater. If I want both of them to be in descending order, let's use that sales rep again. You can see M's now come first for sales rep before you now have your females. Okay, so that's how you order by. You can also, the final thing before we end this particular video, you can also order by using their position, their index. For instance, title is item 3 on our list, so I can say order by number 3, while gender is item 4, and I can say order by number 4. If I do this, it still gives me the same result. Okay, so if I want to order 3 in ascending order, you can still type ASC, but the default is usually ascending order. You now have titles, and in each title it has the genders in descending order. Alright, so that's how you sort your data in Microsoft SQL Server. So from the next video, I will begin to be making it more of word problems so we can interpret data more. Alright, thank you.